Mauricio. I am a co-founder at Ennaia. We are a design and manufacturing company focused on creating art products and projects. We closely collaborate with interior designers and architects for their hospitality and residential projects. The main reason that drove us to adopt this technology was sustainability. Being able to create our products and projects using recycled and biomaterials is very appealing, considering that the world is moving in that direction. Additionally, the production process is very clean. We have created beautiful pieces and projects using recycled materials that any other production process would be almost impossible to achieve. By working alongside Caracol, we aim to develop new products and integrate new materials to our portfolio offering. We are excited about the future of this technology, primarily because of the development of new applications and materials. We believe a big portion of the future products will be 3D printed. We recently integrated Heron AM technology into our operations, enhancing our production capabilities and efficiency. This advanced 3D printing technology complements our existing manufacturing strengths, offering quick delivery times and keeping production close to our clients, thus emphasizing our commitment to innovation and local manufacturing solutions. Additionally, we recognize that 3D printing is in its early stages and that the best is yet to come.